Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is your central hub for managing your phone, including security, network settings, and even storage. Step 2. Now, scroll down until you see the lock screen and AOD, or simply lock screen option. Tap on it to open the lock screen customization menu. Step 3. Now in the lock screen menu, look for the contact information option. This is where you can add personalized text to your lock screen. Tap on it to open a small text entry field. Step 4. Now you can type in whatever message you want to show on the lock screen. Here are a few ideas: your name, an alternate phone number or email in case the device is lost, a short quote or motivational phrase, medical information in case of emergency. Once you're done typing your message, tap Done or Save, whichever option appears. To make sure everything worked, press the power button to lock your phone, then wake it up again. You should now see your custom message displayed right on the lock screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.